2025 KTM 390 Duke finally launched. Upcoming dream car. Introduction. The wait is finally over. KTM has officially launched the all-new 2025 KTM 390 Duke, and it's already making waves in the biking world. Welcome to Upcoming Dream Car, your one-stop destination for the latest updates on dream bikes and futuristic machines. Aggressive new design. The 2025 model comes with a sharper, more muscular design inspired by its bigger siblings in the Duke family. The LED headlight setup has been redesigned, and the tank extensions now look more aggressive than ever. KTM has clearly focused on Streetfighter aesthetics, giving the 390 Duke a bold, futuristic vibe. Performance upgrades. Powered by a refined 399cc single-cylinder engine, the new 390 Duke produces more torque and a smoother power delivery. It now comes with ride-by-wire tech, multiple riding modes, and a quick shifter as standard. KTM has made sure this bike is ready for both daily commutes and thrilling weekend rides. Technology and features. KTM has upgraded the TFT display with improved graphics and connectivity features. The 2025 version supports turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth pairing, and real-time bike data. Adjustable suspension, supermoto ABS, and traction control add to the advanced package. Final verdict. The 2025 KTM 390 Duke isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the lightweight naked segment. With its fresh design and advanced features, this machine is built for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to Upcoming Dream Car for more updates on the latest bikes and dream machines. Let us know your thoughts on the new 390 Duke in the comments.